So hi guys, today I'm Forsaken and I've been auditioned to this game for abs. Wait, so I played this game this week. I was actually in it, but I think I got better of every but I will try to make up for okay. Ooh, I won it.
Oh, that almost hit me.
Go. I'm not having a lot of we recorded. Sorry, my voice is a little bit muffled because of that. Go find a children. Oh no, I think Go will say go for me. But Go will go. Oh never mind. He's coming for that. Oh baby. Oh wait, oh no, you can actually block only in a close range. Go to this part until those is. So I know how to block. But fun fact, then not actually upgrade it. I'll just if I draw my target this half. Oh no. Yep, he's targeting this half, so I need to do the generators. I could just save the generator. No, I don't really do it. I might do targeting. Oh wait, he started targeting the half. You know? And all of my moves are ready. Should I? So how did that hit me? What the hell? You think I know how to do it? Okay, run. Yes, we won! I almost died! I have won it! Okay, it's my turn. I do want to use 1x, but it might lag me, so I'm gonna use John Doe instead. I'm trying to get milestone 2, and I'm using Annihilation skin. Wait, I could just use potato. That is too risky. Yeah, I want experience. I also have. Scrambled like the eggs. So no one doesn't use egg skins for some reason. This server is actually knows this.
Where are my ingredients?
Oh no, I might be cooked because there's a lot of stunners, except for the alien.
One, stay for dinner. This is mass selection.
Why did bro did that?
This one's to go. More seconds.
So how did that?
One eggs one.
Wala.
This is investigation. Someone's extra salty.
Nakapila.
Where are my ingredients?
Siguro.
One eggs. More seconds.
Basta nagpila tayo.
This is mass selection.
Oh, actually.
Seasonings and spice. That wasn't nice. I need one egg. More seconds. This is investigation.
I bet.
Where are my ingredients? Stay for dinner. This is investigation. This isn't gonna look good on my resume. I need eggs. 1 second. This is mass confection.
Bro, this gets me. This is just alien. See them, I feel.
Stay for dinner. This is mass selection.
Hold on, the lag. Hold on, the lag. Good.
One, stay for dinner.
Bro,
This is mass confection.
this lag.
One eggs one.
One egg. Bro, that said we get to me.
1 second. This is mass selection.
My God, the lag. Okay, I'll